Hey guys, John Vapor Honing Technologies here today, blasting on a Porsche valve cover. This part was removed of its original coating using the vapor honing system. The coating was very thick, it was a ceramic based coating, and then we were able to bring the part back to an OEM looking condition. Very smooth, impervious surface. Not a surface that's good for coating, but a surface is good to be left as it is, maybe even clear coat the part or use an aerospace product to protect this part from future corrosion. But the vapor honing system is good for prepping for coatings, whether it's a thin film coating like a ceramic based coating or a powder coat. You would just be using a totally different process in the vapor honing system and a different abrasive and different pressures. But that's something we've helped thousands and thousands of businesses with. No matter what your application is, we can help with that and set you up with a machine that fits your needs. But we were able to accomplish this specific result using two different abrasives and two different machines. And the level of detail is incredible, even on the backside of the part. Again, if you have an application that you would like help with, we do free trial parts processing every single day to prove processes, and we can give you the details of that process so that you can buy a piece of equipment from us and start doing work just like this. Let's face it, there's no other process in the world that can give you these types of finishes and these types of results. Vapor honing is dust free. It is also a chemical free process as well, and runs at much lower decibel levels than conventional dry blasting equipment, and also uses less floor space. Look, we build equipment to suit anyone and everyone, whether you're a hobbyist or you're a big massive company. We have products that fit your need. Depends on what part size you're using, what abrasive you're using. Those things all come into play. And of course, at the end of the day, what are you looking to spend or willing to spend? But we have something to help. If you guys love what you see today, please put a comment below on what you'd like to see next, and we can help with that. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and turn on those notifications so that you will know when we release future videos to come. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.